Hi, Elaine here with WTI. One thing our family does not leave home without is a mask, and these are very, very comfortable. Many masks are not comfortable around the ears, but these are. The bands are very, very soft, so you can wear them for a long time. I do love that it has a wire here, so it could form around your nose very tightly, and I do love that they're breathable. I'm going to show you how it feels on. And you can just see how easy it is to put on. And here's the nose piece. Say if you have a bigger nose, you can open it up a little bit and then you can form it right to your nose. It comes down and covers the bottom. Very nice and secure. And it's very soft on your face. It's not so hard on your face like other masks. So if you're in need of masks, then I would say these are a very good choice, but that's just my point of view.